A Freightliner custom chassis RV is more than just a motorhome. It's backed by countless resources to help make your RV experience even smoother. And all these resources are available through the brand new Custom Class Passport tool. Your unique passport will serve as your digital glove box. It's the best place to find answers to questions about your chassis and get the support you need to make your ownership experience extraordinary. Your personal account is password protected to provide safe, personalized access to your RV's materials. On the Custom Class Passport website, you can easily access owner's manuals, service maintenance books and service schedules, warranty information, and coach brands and components specific to your RV. The Custom Class Passport also conveniently provides access to Owners Club membership information, owner education with Camp Freightliner, and access to 24/7 support. Freightliner custom chassis RVs are also equipped with other innovations like DriveTech, UltraSteer, and V-Ride. More information on these parts of your coach is also available directly through your Passport account. Whether you recently purchased a new FCCC RV or you've owned one for years, creating your own Custom Class Passport account is simple and free. If you have an RV on a Freightliner custom chassis and you have registered your coach's warranty after March of 2020, look out for your custom activation code in the mail. To sign up with your unique code, visit customclass.com and select the option to enter your activation code. Add an email address with your code, and your account is ready to roll. If you registered your RV's warranty before March of 2020, or if you do not receive an activation code, you can still register for an account and access the same great resources. On the homepage, just choose the option to register without an activation code. You'll have to manually enter some information about your RV to get started. Make your ownership experience even easier. Visit customclass.com to start your own digital glove box for your FCCC RV.